Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! First day of spring, March 19th, 2020. Wah fucking who, eh? Mexican Coca-Cola. Cheers, big ears. Oh, fuck, that's good. Alright. Cooking outside for the first time this year. Third time cooking food myself this year. I've had a relapse. Chicken! Woo! And what I'm gonna put on this chicken, something I've not tried before. This was sent to me by Mr. Heavy Metal Barbecue. Not just for beef. So we're gonna give her a whirl, boys and girls and others. Don't have my glasses on, so I can't see what. Oh, sugar's first thing. Onion powder, garlic powder, mustard, etc., etc. ABC barbecue. So let's give her a whirl. Fun day in Bastard Land. Wrong side, of course. Smells peppery. Mr. Heavy Metal Barbecue sent me this, long time ago, in the fall. Sorry, buddy. Haven't been able to get to it. You know how things are going with me. Smells good. But peppery. Like black pepper. No. There we go. Alright. No sauce or anything, just plain and simple. We're just gonna cook these fuckers up and eat. It's been a long time since I've actually made a cooking video. I have a couple I haven't posted yet, but we'll get to that. Cat. So, wash your hands. You don't want any chicken germs or fucking corona germs. Or corona worms. But that's okay. I'm vaccinated and I'm gonna take my booster shot outside. You'll see. Against what I'm supposed to be doing, but you'll see. Alright, let's get outside, bitches. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! Hey, told you, I got my vaccination shots. Time for my booster now. Now, I'm not supposed to be drinking. I haven't been drinking for quite a while. But I'm pretty fucking high. But for this video, I will show you my booster shot. Against, what's going around. So yeah, drink one of these as your booster after your initial vaccination. There you go, bitches. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Drink up, booster up. RTFO, mofos. Even though it's a shitty beer, that's the first beer I've had in a long time. Fuck, that tastes good. Fuck yeah. One won't hurt my medicine, will it? Alright, chicken. Chicken is here. $10 out. First day of spring. It was a little warmer earlier. Winds picked up. But fuck, man. If it was sunny, it would have been a beauty fucking day. Just beauty. There you go. There you go, bitches. There you go. Good enough. Woo! Pretty fucking slick out here. Hopefully the snow will go away one of these days. It's supposed to rain tonight. And I got my walking stick, but I don't have a steel thing. An ice peg. So I don't fucking walk too much anywhere. Well, in my crutches too. Alright, man. We'll be back. Cheers, big ears. RTFO mofos. Come and check this in 10 minutes or so. Give her a flipperoo, and then you know what happens. We let her fucking go some more, eh? Cheers, big ears. Woo! Woo! Haven't done one of them in a while. Alright, bitches. Booster shot still going. It's fucking slick out here. Nice. Bitchy. Beauty. Alright. That's all we're doing. Easy. Simple. Just gonna try this rub out on some chicken. Ow. Beer. I'm lost. I'm fucking high. I'm looking for the lid over there, but the lid's here. And the beer was over there. Beer won. Lots of fun. Woohoo! Drink up, buttercup. RTFO mofos. We'll be back in another 15 minutes, and then we'll do something else. Woohoo! Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. Right on. Shitty beer taste never tasted so good. Ha, fuck me. Woo! Alright, bitches. We're gonna flip these fuckers over again. Still boosting myself up here with the Corona booster. No viruses here. None allowed. Even though the first death from the virus in my province happened in the closest town to me, which is like just 10 minutes away. Nice to live in the sticks, bitches. Drink up, buttercup. Slippery. Nice. Smells pretty good. Let's get over here. Bitchy. Where's Twitchy? Okay. Couple minutes like that. Cover it up. About 2 minutes, and then we'll flip her over again. And then we should be good to fucking go. Woo! I can get off this fucking uneven ice. I don't want to wipe out. Alright, bitches, we'll be back. Give him a minute. Alright, let's see what's going on. Ow, motherfucker. Slippery. Nice. Skin. Nice. Couple more minutes. Then we'll give her a shot back and done. Dunzo. Alright. Cheers, big ears. You don't need to see me flip them once more, and we'll go back in and try these bitches out. RTFO mofos. Yeah, that's good for supporting me. Alright, bitches, here you go. Smells pretty good. I was gonna put it on another plate. Fuck it. Why dirty another plate? more time I have to be on my feet. And it fucking hurts. Alright. Oh yeah, I gotta take a pill when I eat this. So, let's get some fucking salt. Because we're gonna need that for my liking. Some salt fanatic. Let's cut one of these bitches open. Bitchy! You. Come here. Juicy. Before we put any salt on. Wow. That's really good. Awesome. Nice. Grizzle. I'll be back. Don't eat grizzle. There you go. That's fucking great. Tokage. Mexican Coca-Cola. Fuck, that's nice. I'm ready to put a little bit of hot sauce. A little bit of Frank's Red Hot Chili and Lime. Oh, I made a mess. No messing. Oh, wait. Try that there. I got a special one I gotta try out soon. Yeah, a lot of things I need to try out. People have sent me some good stuff. Just haven't been able to do it. But I'll get there. Bitchy and twitchy. Try some of that. And I'm not putting salt on it. Doesn't need it. Away with you. That's really good. Mr. HMB, thanks, buddy. Go check out Heavy Metal Barbecue's channel. The link is down below. Fuck, that's good. There's the bone. Da bone. There you go, bitches. Fucking nice. Oh, shit. Just thought of something. Gotta take my medicine. I think I already thought of that. Stoned. But this is good. Well, try this out. Not just for beef. And it is peppery, like black pepper. But not like hot or anything. A pig and a chicken on a cow. Right on. Alright, bitches. Boring video, I know, but I haven't made a cooking video in a long time. And there you go. Like I said, I still have a couple more to release from way before. I don't know when I'll do it, when I get around to it. Alright. Oh. At this time. At this place. At this very fucking moment. It's time for a tea. And today, our tea is a brisk. Iced tea. Gotta stay away from beers for a while. There you go. I cheated by having that one. But we'll have a fucking brisk. We'll get fucking brisk. Oh, and let's have a elbow shot for, you know, elbow boy. Cheers, big ears. Arrivederci Roma. Take it easy, huh? Piano, piano. Fuck, that's good. And so is this. Alright, bitches. Ta-ta. God shakes. Nice. Gone.